All right, we're getting ready to go do a survey to find out teachers' opinions on two objects and their temperature. We have a brass weight and a book.
All right. It's really simple. I just need your opinion.
Okay.
I'm going to let you put your hand on both of these objects, and I want you to tell me if you feel any temperature difference or if you feel like they feel the same. So the first one is a book.
Okay.
Okay. And the second one is a brass weight.
This one feels colder.
It feels colder.
Yeah, the book.
It does. All right. Why do you think that one feels colder?
Because it's made out of metal, and metal reacts more to temperature than paper does.
All right. Thank you very much.
Okay, we're here with our next unsuspecting guest. We have a question for you. We've got these two objects, and we would like to see if you can tell if there is a difference in temperature or if they feel the same temperature.
All right, the first object is a book, and I want you to hold it both in the palm of your hand and on the back of your hand. Sometimes that's easier to detect temperature. Okay, here's the other object. This is the brass weight.
Oh, this is colder.
Feels colder?
Yes,
Okay, and why do you think this one feels colder than the book?
because of the surface area.
Okay.
Thank
All right,
you.
works for me.
Yes.
Thank you.
On determining if these two objects have the same temperature or a different temperature. So Mr. Nelson's going to instruct you to put each object on the back of your hand.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, first of all, we have a book. Okay, and we have a brass weight.
Oh, the brass weight is colder.
It is.
Why do you think that?
Well, it feels colder on my skin.
All right, we are here with Landon, and he is going to help us with our survey. Landon, we want you to hold out your hands so that the back's facing up, and Mr. Nelson is going to set two objects on your hand, and we want to know if there's a temperature difference.
Okay, here's the book. You put your other hand out. This is a brass weight. Do they feel the same or do they feel different?
Different.
Which one feels warmer, which one feels colder?
Colder is that one.
Which
And
one?
then the copper thing.
Okay.
Or brass or whatever. And then the book feels warmer.
Why do you think that is?
Because it's a metal.
All right, thanks, Landon. Okay, so we found our next victim, and it's Miss Shirley. And Miss Shirley, we have a question for you. We have these two objects here that Mr. Nelson's holding, and we want to know if you can determine if there is a temperature difference or if they're the same temperature. So he's going to have you put them on the back of your hand.
So the first one is a book. Okay. It is a book. And
Yes.
the second one is this brass weight.
I mean, that feels colder.
So which one do you think was colder?
The metal. I don't know if it actually is, but it feels colder.
Well, why do you think that this one is colder than the book? Because they've been out in
I'm
the room.
guessing because of the material type.
So the material makes this colder than the book?
I'm guessing it's the metal.
Okay.
All right, we've tracked down Mr. Marquez as our next victim of the question. Does one of these objects feel a different temperature than the other? Now, Mr. Nelson's going to instruct you and help you to put them on the back of your hands
Okay.
so that we can determine whether they have the same temperature or a different temperature.
Okay, the first one is a book. And the second one is a brass weight. Is there a temperature difference or do they feel the same to you?
The brass weight feels colder.
Okay, so why do you think the brass weight feels colder? Because
Because it's metal,
it's metal?
maybe? Yeah.
Is metal colder than paper?
I don't think so, but that's the only explanation I have.
All right.